What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is the A1 Mini, like you already know. And this is called the hot end, right here. Hot end. Heated bed, right here. Gantry. Camera. Screen. And what we're printing it is this. Not that, but this. I'm printing that. Is that cool? And then this will take 1 hour, 3 minutes. So this will be a long video. So it's doing its auto calibration right now. So let it do that. And let it do what it needs to do. And that will equal enough friction for the bench to move. So there's a little bit of information right there. Right there. And let's see how it does. So we can just do 2 out of 3 things. Or we could do all 3. We can let it bed level real quick. And that starts first layer. And let heat up to 220. That's recommended. That's the recommended. So this will be the things I printed on it. It's a Flexi Panda. And a few of these. So we can just watch through its calibration. Real quick. So it's purging right now. But believe me, here it is. That's good. Clap for everybody that is in this video. Because it's for y'all. Not for me, this is for you. So if we could do it, you gotta give me a like and subscribe. So let it poop like that. And then let it do its calibration computation. And then let it do the first layer. If you are wondering what the first layer looks like, this is what it looks like. From a top view, that's what it looks like. So it's doing its first layer. That's good. So if you want, you can pause it, see how the first layer looks. Like this. See the pause? Right there. That's the pause button. We press that. It moves to the side, and then we can just stand up. And we can see what it looks like. Y'all see it? It's barely sitting on. So look. That's what it looks like. So after that, y'all can just go how y'all want. And the next video is going to be detailed about how to use your phone on the A1 Mini. Part 1 and 2 coming out soon. So stay watch for that. And my recommended speed is 50 to 124. That's mine. Yep. So this is my specs right now. 100 millimeters a second. 180 cubed. 500 millimeters a second. And 0.4 nozzle. and a 0.08 gap between the bed. So if you like this, like. And this is almost done. Don't worry, that's normal. That's actually normal. And just put the fan speed down to like 10. Put it down to 10. That's my goal. And I'm not doing a face reveal until I reach 100,000 subscribers. So I'm having an eye print right now. That's what it looks like. So if you want, you can make your own video about it. And recommended speed 50% to 124. And the fan speed 10%. It says 80 or 90. But this is how it looks from top scale. Those do kind of look nasty. But this is what it looks like when the hot end moves. This is called the x-axis. This is called the z-axis. This is called the z-axis. And why?